The Best of Jamaica 2020 Chicago Results Show. We asked and you responded. So here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Chicago for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
So now my results now from Chicago results. And so, of course, we asked these people and they all responded and to tell us exactly where they buy and they purchase and what have you. And if you disagree and you have an event to tell us about, just say it. You know what I mean? Just let us know. What is the best local Jamaican patty shop? And in Chicago, it says Caribbean American Bakery. Congratulations, Caribbean American Bakery. And where's the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? And it says Fiesta Mart. A couple of those places, not so sure if I remember when I was in and out of that area, but Fiesta Mart, congratulations. Still in Chicago, where's the best place to buy Jamaican grocery? Fiesta Mart, like we said. What's the best Jamaican restaurant? And can they actually, I'm going to ask somebody in the studio, can they actually say Jamaican jerk? Is that a brand name? I thought that was a brand name. Okay, everybody said no, it's not a brand name, Jamaican jerk. So they can use it. And they say, what Jamaican Caribbean annual event you miss attending due to COVID-19? And in Chicago, the answer was International Festival of Life.
Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.